The other day, I met with a friend, an actress friend, who wants to make a movie, but she doesn't have a script, and she feels like she has nothing to say right now. And I said, well, why don't you write about whatever is on your mind? And she said, and she joked that the only thing on her mind is potty training, because her young son is at that age where he's learning. And I said, well, actually, that might make a great movie. It's a premise that lends itself to just one location. It could be just her and her husband staying home all weekend. And because I think there's a method, right, where you stay home until the child gets it. And so maybe it's supposed to be just for the weekend, but it drags on for weeks. She could explore all the conflicting advice that you get from family and friends, the stress it puts on the marriage. It just seems like there's a lot of material there that you could explore. And if I were going through that, if I were experiencing that with my child, that's a movie I'd want to see. And so I think that's a great example of how you can make a movie about anything that's on your mind right now, anything that you're experiencing. And I think you're bound to make something interesting because you're living it and it is top of mind and you're going to say something truthful about it.